Are you struggling with blind spots in your IT environment or wasting time on manual asset tracking? Well, imagine having a single platform that discovers every device, automates your inventory, and turns raw data into actionable insights. With Lansweeper, you can gain full visibility into your IT, OT, and IoT assets, making smarter decisions and reducing risk across your entire organizations. So, Lansweeper is a leading technology asset intelligence platform that serves as your single source of truth for all your connected assets. It automatically discovers every device in your network, consolidates your inventory, and keeps your data accurate and up to date. Lansweeper is trusted by IT, security, and finance teams worldwide to eliminate blind spots, automate tedious tasks, and power smarter business decisions. With Lansweeper, you can auto-populate your CMDB, enrich service desk tickets, and automate record keeping, saving countless hours on manual work. The platform's dashboard and analytics turn raw asset data into real insights, helping you reduce risk, control IT spend, and forecast future needs. Lansweeper integrates with over 35 popular apps like Jira, ServiceNow, and Hello ITSM, and its robust API lets you sync asset data across your tech stack. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Lansweeper, discover and manage your assets, automate manual tasks, and leverage dashboards for actionable insights. I'll also share tips for integrating Lansweeper with your existing tools and maximizing your IT asset intelligence. So first things first, head over to lansweeper.com. This is their website right here. They actually offer a free trial with no credit card required. So click on this start free trial, and from in there you should be able to be prompted to the trial page wherein you just need to input your details in order to start a particular free trial. So into this page, just input your work email as well as the password that you want to use for Lansweeper. Click onto this start free trial. You also have the option to sign up using your Google account, Microsoft, as well as LinkedIn. After that, you will be redirected to a page wherein you will be prompted to download the installer of Lansweeper. So this is that installer right here. You can just head over and install it, and then it will redirect you to a new tab wherein it will actually link it to your cloud. Once the sync service prerequisite checks are done, you can see in here this, which means that your link to cloud is now finished. You can close this and click on finish option. Now, once all of those are finished on the installation, you should be able to see in here this dashboard of Lansweeper in the cloud. So let's head over and complete the setup checklist. You can see in here this, so you can add your Windows credential, which is actually the device that you install the Lansweeper in. Click on those right there and click on next. Then after that, input right here the credentials in order to access additional assets based on the actual device that you have added. You'll be prompted to log in again, so make sure to log in. So in here, you can add a credential of your Windows machine that you have added. Just input right here the name. So for example, let's name it PC1. And then input right here the login information for that. And then once you have inputted those, you can head over and save and exit this. So I'll head over and then input right here this and click on save and exit. So from in there, this should be saved and you can find it right now under the devices that you have available for this one. Click on done once you're done. Now in here, you can rescan your target. So click onto this first. Click onto this rescan now. So in here, you can find it right here. And you can just click onto this scan all targets button and click on yes. And then this will scan all of your devices that you have added. Next thing is you can run your dashboards. So in here, you can just head over to your icon right here, which is our dashboard page. You can head over and refresh the dashboard by clicking on the display icon that we can see right here. And as you can see, you have now finished your initial onboarding. Onto your dashboard right here, you can find your total assets, softwares, AD users, scan issues, workstations, new devices, and likes. You can find in here some vulnerabilities audits as well as scanning status. You can see in here the device that you have added as well as total assets they have and new assets that they have. You can also run a report based on the Microsoft May 2025 batch audit from there. Under these assets, you can find in here every asset that your actual device have yet. So if they have some assets right here, they should be listed into this part of the page right there. Now in here, you can also find your cloud assets. So cloud assets is different from the assets itself because the assets is directed from the local host, while cloud assets are actually directed from Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, as well as Microsoft Azure. Under this, you can find the assets categorized right there. You can see them by category, by workload, by cloud tags, and by subscription, pro, or accounts. Under this, you can also find the inventory health, and you can see some scan issues, some installation that's are pending, some servers that you can scan, and you can also find right here the security of your report. You can find in here the workstations that you have available, as well as some more things that like this Bitbucket Drive encryption, Windows automatic updates, asset uptime since last reboot, as well as report overview. You can find in here the software as well for the board, and you can find them by operating system. We have Windows, we have SQL servers, new servers, as well as the likes. Now you can also expand in here some other places. Under the scanning right here, you can scan all of the devices that you have integrated into the Lansweeper. You can also find the inventory right around here. And when you click on this, you can find the software. You can see the custom views for that and you can customize it based on your liking. Now in here, you can add some more users as well as display some names. And in here, you can find your risk insights as well as vulnerabilities that are available. You can find them under this vulnerable assets menu that you can see right there. And you can export those view and prioritize vulnerable assets based on this one. Now, from this page, you can also find some reports like hardware reports, security reports, as well as software reports and user reports. You can also create custom reports through this part, and you can head over and then do this all into a one cloud option. Under this, you can also find the diagrams that you have. You can find the templates as well as go for that. And you can also enable right here this in order to actually generate a diagram for this particular topology. Click onto this right here and it will be queued and to the execution and you can find it processed just later on. So as you have noticed, Lansweeper has a lot to offer you based on its features and capabilities. So thank you for watching our Lansweeper tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your IT team. Subscribe to our channel for more demos on asset management and IT automation tools. So what challenges are you facing with asset visibility or IT management? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.